And now finally, let us try to sum up our third lecture. We discussed the process of development and change of meaning, and try to answer two very important questions. Why should new meanings appear at all? What circumstances cause and stimulate their development? And how does it happen? What is the nature of the very process of development of new meanings? And we discussed the causes of development of new meanings, which are extralinguistic or historical and linguistic. Extralinguistic or historical causes. Changes in a nation's social life and its culture, knowledge, technology, arts lead to gaps appearing in the vocabulary, which should be filled. Newly created objects, new concepts, and phenomena must be named. Linguistic causes. The development of new meanings and also a complete change of meaning may be caused through the influence of other words, mostly of synonyms. In Old English, the verb starve meant to perish. When the verb to die was borrowed from Scandinavian, these two synonyms, which were very close in their meaning, collided, and as a result, to starve gradually changed into its present meaning, to die or suffer from hunger. The noun deer in Old English had a general meaning denoting any beast. In that meaning, it collided with the borrowed word animal and changed its meaning to the modern one, a certain kind of animal. Then we discussed two types of transference. Transference based on resemblance, or transference based on similarity, and transference based on contiguity. When a new meaning appears as a result of associating two objects, phenomena, qualities, etc., due to their outward similarity, we deal with transference based on resemblance, or transference based on similarity. And we discussed a lot of examples of this kind of transference. Transference based on contiguity. Another term for this type of transference is linguistic metonymy. The association is based upon subtle psychological links between different objects and phenomena, sometimes traced and identified with much difficulty. The two objects may be associated together because they often appear in common situations, and so the image of one is easily accompanied by the image of the other, or they may be associated on the principle of cause and effect, of common function, of some material and an object which is made of it. And we discussed a lot of examples of this kind of transference. Then we spoke about broadening of meaning or generalization of meaning. For example, the verb to arrive, which is French borrowing, began its life in English in the narrow meaning, to come to shore, to land. In modern English, it has broadened its meaning, and it means to come. Narrowing of meaning. The word deer in Old English meant any beast, any kind of beast, and now it means a certain kind of animal. Meat in Old English meant any food, any kind of food, and now it's a certain food product. The so-called degeneration or degradation of meaning. Knave in Old English meant boy, and now it means swindler, scoundrel. Gossip in Old English meant godparent, and now the one who talks scandals. Silly in Old English meant happy, and now it means foolish. The so-called elevation of meaning. Fond in Old English meant foolish, and now it means loving, affectionate. Nice meant foolish, and now it means fine, good. Marshal meant manservant attending courses, and now it is the highest rank in the army.